Hello viewers, Snapchat accept friend or add friend something went wrong problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all, just tap on profile icon. Now go to settings, scroll down and find bugs and suggestions. Now go to bugs and suggestion option. Go to report a problem. Now click on friends option. Now select your bugs category. Select adding or removing friends. Now here describe your issues in details. After describing your issues, now click on submit option. Now go back to home screen and make sure your Snapchat is updated. Go to Play Store and update your Snapchat. Now long press on Snapchat and click on app info or I button. Go to storage. Now click on clear data. Click on manage space. Now click on delete. After all this process, now go to Snapchat and log in your account and check your problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.